All right, class, so this is number 2 on your worksheet. You have u equals 2x minus 2, and we're going to solve for x, all right? So just like in number 1, we're going to underline what we're looking for. So we're going to look for x, and go ahead and rewrite the problem again, all right? U equals 2x minus 2. All right, key thing for this is that we're going to have to solve by moving numbers, right? And we move numbers with opposites, all right? So you can make a side note, right? What are the opposites of each function, of each operation? We know multiplication, the opposite is division, all right? Addition, opposite is subtraction, all right? So right here, because our goal is to get this x by itself, we need to start moving the numbers that we can. So fortunately, we cannot move this 2x right now. Or move the 2 to get the x by itself, because it's going to throw off the whole equation, all right? So the easiest thing for us to move before we focus on this is to get rid of this, right? Think of it as levels, I'm sorry. Before you get to this, you have to move this, all right? So we need to move our minus 2. And as I mentioned before, we move with opposites. So the opposite of, I made a mistake over here, sorry. Minus, all right? The opposite of minus, right, is plus, right? So we cancel this out. We got plus 2, cancel that out. Plus 2, all right? You cannot add these two together, right? As I mentioned before, we cannot add a whole number with a variable. So when you move it to the other side, you're going to have a u plus 2. All right, and you still have your 2x, right? U plus 2, right? That's all you gotta do. And now you can focus on the main attraction, the main thing you gotta solve for, which is x. All right? When a variable and a whole number are together, that means they're being multiplied, okay? So it's 2 times x, x times 2, all right? And to solve this, right, we got to do it with opposites, right? We're going to move with opposites. So we have a timetables, right? We're going to have to divide. So when we divide, right, we put the 2 underneath here. Put the 2 underneath here, right? We cross that out. We're going to have, right, we can't do nothing much in here because we have our u plus 2. And we can't really divide we can't divide this by that. So we're going to have to leave that formula the way it is. So, right, if we're going to leave it the way it is, your answer is to be u plus 2 over 2 equals x, right? Because our goal is to have x by itself. That is our transformed equation. X equals u plus 2 divided by 2, or over 2, okay? I hope the video is helpful for you guys.